You have found someone special, but are not yet sure they feel the same way about you. That is a tough situation to be in, for sure. This video will teach you the 5 signs someone is constantly thinking about you, and help clear any confusion. 5 signs someone is constantly thinking about you. Let's begin. 1. You feel strange emotions. You have never felt this way before. You find your mood swaying violently, like a tree in strong winds. One moment you are happy, the next angry, and this turns to sadness in another moment. When someone is constantly thinking about you, they are sending energy your way. It is this interference of energy that is triggering a roller coaster of emotions in you. If you are experiencing mood swings, it is a psychic sign that you are in someone's thoughts. 2. You can feel your eyes twitching. Not all signs remain in the mental space. Often, you get to see the ramifications in your physical body as well. One such physical sign is the twitching or itching of the eyes. You may ignore this sign if you are tired or have a medical condition to explain it. You can gather more information from this psychic sign as well. It need not always mean that they are thinking positively of you. If you are a woman, right eye twitching is not a good sign. It means that someone is thinking ill of you. On the other hand, left eye twitching is a good sign. In men, this works the other way round. 3. You can feel your cheeks burning. You blush, or your cheeks burn, when you are angry or feeling embarrassed, or if it is too hot. Without any of these reasons, if you still find this happening, it is a clear sign that you are in someone's thoughts. When this person is having romantic thoughts about you, they send it across as energy vibrations. Your subconscious mind will receive and process these vibrations, and will be aware of what is happening. However, since there is no communication between your own subconscious and conscious minds, you aren't aware of what is happening to you. Despite this, you will display physical signs, like cheek burning as a consequence. 4. You start to hiccup without reason. There are any number of valid medical reasons for hiccups. However, if you find yourself hiccuping without any underlying cause, then probably it is triggered by someone thinking about you. It is believed that hiccups happen to jolt you out of your senses and make you aware of what is happening. When you begin to hiccup, your immediate reaction would be to make it stop with any of the home remedies known to you. When you are unsuccessful, it will get you thinking. In some cultures, hiccups are associated with good thoughts, while in others, they are related to bad vibes. 5. You find this person hovering over you. It's true that you noticed this person and felt an attraction, but did nothing to let it on. However, you noticed this same person sitting next to you always. These are the 5 signs someone is constantly thinking about you. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you on next.